That's why. Museum of under hands. The taxidermy. Wow. Yes. Wow.
Cellphone mo?
Pwede naman. Tingnan ko nga, naka-record yun. This is the black-tailed deer. Black. Ito po, nagsasalita para kikita tayo. Oh, ganda nito. Yak. That is a yak. Parang totoo. Yak ang pangalan niya, no? Moskok. Yeah. Travis, look at me. See? Ganda ng video mo dyan. Tell me, what is that? Yak. Like you? May baby pa siya, oh. Baby. So, actual size yan, Travis. Tignan mo eh. Educational yan. Hindi ka sumama sa field trip niya eh. Ngayon, yan ang educational mo talaga sa museum dito. That's the museum. That is a... Ayun no? Sa atin lang yan ah. Yung mga crow at saka raven. Ayun no? O tsaka ba? Nakikita ka niyan dito. Tingin ka lang. Yes. Look at this, Miguel. That is the giant seal. Tingin ka dyan. Tingnan mo. Yeah, seal. The seal of excellence. Puma. Florida Puma. Yan sila nakatira sa mountain. So, yung pa isa. Hindi mo siya makita, di ba? Davis. Ano? Moose. Venomous. Venomous. Ganda, di ba? Look, it's too big. Look at that, oh. Travis, oh. Pwede ka kainin yan, oh. Yeah, gray wolf. Yan po ang gray wolf. Almost as big as a human being. 6
Laki pala niya, no?
Yes.
Ano yan? Original size na yan?
Yes. That's it. Pag nakita mo sa akin, takot ka na yan. Ano yung mga parang ibex. Look at this. Mountain. Meron pa to. Oh, ito pa. May mga... Oh, seal. Harbor seal. Fokum. That is a brown bear. Kita mo yung kumain doon sa tao? Kinain siya niyan. Grabe, no?
Ang sakit.
Super, super big. Look at that. Hello, boy. So, ganyan siya kalaki, Trey, Gary. Monster. Monster bear. Ayun, dalawa. Miguel. Enough, little boys. Enough. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Enough, enough.
Says if it stinks or not.